Mga katiwala, balik po kita dito sa tuyang programang Hello Fathers, ngunya na Martes, no? So, kasubago, I was explaining, no? So, about the symbols, no? So, ngunyan po, let me share to you, no? Last time we entered into the explanation of what is the Lenten season, no? So, magayon na hilingon niya to ngunyan, ano ang mga signs and symbols of the Lenten season, no? So first and foremost, hilingon ta po that Lent, the season of Lent has two characters, no? Two important characters, no? So what is this, no? So first is Lent has a baptismal character, no? Baptismal character, and second is penitential character. It reminds us first of our baptism, because at the end of the Lenten season, at we begin the Easter season, we will renew our baptismal promises. No? And because in the history of the church and liturgy, no, the season of Lent was the proximate preparation of those who will be called, who were called rather for to be baptized, to be welcomed into this Christian community. No, that for years of preparation, this is the time. No, and the baptismal pattern of the Lenten season, of the 40 days of Lent, is iyo po ini ang yaon sa laog kang RCIA. Now, what does RCIA stands for? Rite of initiation, rite of Christian initiation for adults. No, ini po sarong program sa liturgy, no, sa baptism rather, no, na this is being applied in other countries. No, this is applied in other countries. Those who would really enter into Christianity, those who would be baptized as a Christian, as a Catholic, no? So they enter into this program, and this is the pattern of the Lenten practices that we are having, no? And iuman po iniyan pinaghalian kan Lenten practices during the time of Hippolytus of Rome, no? And more of the topics of the RCIA, no, the every Sunday of the RCIA, iyo po iyan ang ngunya na readings, ngunya na Kwaresma in the year A, because ngunyan po sa liturgy we are in the year A, no? So every year, every liturgical year, there is 3 readings, there is 3 cycles, A, B, C. Now, and this year, liturgical year A has more of a baptismal or initiation message, no? So because this coming Sunday, no, we will listen, medyo halaba po ang mga no, medyo patience po sa mga pagdangog ta kang gospel for the following weeks, no, lalo na pag-abot kang Palm Sunday, no. So on the 3rd Sunday of Lent, because of this year A is a baptismal character, we will listen to the gospel of the Samaritan woman, no? And here we hear of the living water. Now, there is the connection of water in baptism. Now, that baptism gives us life, that the waters of baptism washes away our sins and gives us life, because Jesus is the living water. Sabi baga kang babae, give me this water, no, so that I may drink it, no. So yeah, the baptismal character of Lent is prepares us for baptism. Kaya baga po sa mga simbolo of Easter, no. Kaya po sabi ko duman sa pag-talk ko, ang Easter kadakol man pong message, kadakol man pong symbol, especially the celebration of the Paschal Vigil. No, the celebration of the Paschal Vigil has many symbols, beginning from the beginning of the celebration, no, duman sa kandila, so darkness and so ilaw, no? So kaya po pig-remind ko sa inda, and then I'm reminding you today, and I will be reminding this also on March 21, no? That we stop the practice na ang ilaw da ama ilaw pag Gloria, no? Wrong, no? On Paschal Vigil, on the third light of Christ, before the singing of the Exultet, because the Exultet is the proclamation of the resurrection of Christ. Dapat may ilaw na po yan. May ilaw na ang maliwanag na ang simbahan. No, kaya so practice taka ito, no? We had a wrong practice na mailaw da pagglorya. No? So, yan po sa mga bunga kang sa kuyang pinag-adalan by really reading and understanding the rubrics. Na sabi kang iba nga tangay dumanahiling mga sa video nga tangay sa iba but we are following because it is sabi nga ni symbols, the symbolism of light and darkness, no? Ang iniilawan pag gloria sa Paschal Vigil itong kandila sa altar, no? But the church, after the proclamation of the third light of Christ and the proclamation of Exultet, igwa ng ilaw. Kasi liwanag na, nagliwanag na, nabuhay na si Kristo. No? So going back to baptismal character of Lent. No? So the baptismal character of Lent will be shown in our readings for today, for this year. No? Because on the fourth Sunday of Lent, no, ano sa tuyang gospel? The healing of the man born blind. No? So this is the message that Jesus is the light of the world, and relating it again to the sacrament of baptism, it is removing the blindness. Because when we are baptized, we are enlightened. We see Jesus as the light. No? And there was one liturgical or fathers of the church, no, the baptism is photismos, no, photismos, those who are enlightened, no. So in baptism we are enlightened, no, naliliwanagan kita, no, na maririn pag inako mo na, no. So the catechumens are those enlightened. They receive the light. They have seen the light. That is why they would like to be baptized. No? And then, of course, in the fifth Sunday of Lent, no, the resurrection of Lazarus. Jesus as the resurrection and life. No? And of course, because baptism, no, we die because of the waters of the baptism, and we rise to new life. Siring na si Kristo na buhay liwat. No? So kayo po mga symbolisms, actually this season of Quaresma, so social, no? This season of Lent, no, really has plenty of signs and symbols. Sa paglaog ta pa sa nakang Lent, no? So Lent in itself has a very beautiful symbol. No? Lent in itself as a very beautiful symbol. Napupunan ko introduction ngunyan, tatapuson ko yan at yan pagkatapos kan sa to yung pagpamibi kang Angelus. No? So, ang Lent po is like climbing a mountain. No? I think I explained this already last time. No? Garo ka nagtutukad sa sarong bulod. Na sa pagtukad mo kisa kang bulod, nadakulon kang bit-bit. No? So, the beginning of the Lenten season, the beginning of climbing, the beginning of climbing the mountain is the Ash Wednesday. No, we are at the base of the mountain. We are being prepared to climb the mountain. Now, and as we climb the mountain, we practice what is called pillars of Lent, fasting, prayer, and abstinence. No, so we little by little deload of our things, no, and we are bringing little by little bringing life, no, and of course alms giving by helping each other, no. So kadakon mga magayuno na simbolo ang itinatao sa tuya kang Lenten season. Mabalik